Good gracious, it's getting worse and worse. Look at this shit. Okay, I'm in my shirt, so I'm cold as hell right now. But I'm recording this just to show you that we live very close to Canada. And it is snowing really hard. That's what she said. But yeah. It's like in the teens where I'm living right now. We're like in a few inches. Just to show you, I'm in my shirt. No coat, no jacket, nothing. I'm in my shirt. Got pants on and boots on. Definitely need boots on. Jesus.